Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And in today's video guys, I am going to do a Meesho jewelry haul. Most of it is dainty jewelry which are gonna come in very handy for the holiday season that is coming, like for Christmas, New Year's, the New Year's Eve party, and so many parties throughout December. And yeah, so I have shopped quite a few jewelry pieces which I absolutely love from Meesho, and the prices are insane. So let's not waste any time and let's get started with this video. Also guys, I wanted to tell you all that I am going to be starting a shorts series in December, which is Style My Closet for 30 days of December. I'm going to upload a short every day in the month of December, styling a few items from my closet and making an outfit out of it. And I'm going to cover Christmas, New Year's, and so many different things. Also, I have my birthday in December, so that is also that's also gonna be covered, like my birthday outfit and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned for that in the month of December. Now let's get started with this video. So the first piece that I want to show you guys is this is the very first item that I got. Absolutely love the design, the hoops over here. It is very unique. I haven't seen anything like this before on anybody, so I got my hands on it. The prices will be given on the screen and the pricing is insane in Meesho. It also has some details in gold and some stones are also studded. So this is how it looks like. Alternative hoops have alternative designs, and yeah, this is how the first piece looks. I'm gonna style it and show it to you all. So this is how the earrings look on me. I really love how pretty it makes me look. It is very chic. I can just pair it up with a little pendant and it's gonna look perfect. And it is so pretty for, you know, functions like occasions like some anniversary party, Christmas party, all of that. Very chic and dainty. Love the design. Moving on to the second piece is this one. Now you won't be able to see exactly the picture. I'm gonna put up a picture over here from Meesho. I love how it looks. It is so insane. The design is so elegant, so beautiful, so chic, and it's speaking and it's shouting Korean from it, and I love everything Korean, as you all know. So I'm gonna go and show you all. So this is how the piece looks. This is the hoop, and right over here this is the earring. It's upside down right now. Anyways, I'm gonna show it to you all. So this is the earring for the other ear, or if you have an extra piercing on that particular ear, you can wear it there as well. And this is how beautiful the pearls are, the chain of the pearls. I love how it looks. This is gonna be, I'm gonna wear it now and I'm gonna style it in with so many different outfits. This was a free gift with that particular earring. Now this is not something of my style, but I really appreciate the gesture of the sellers, that they are trying to do something nice with their customers. I really like it. So this is how the butterfly earrings look on me. These are so pretty. The only word that comes to my mind is pretty, and it's really unique. The design is also very unique. I really love how the butterflies are taking flight in one of my ears. And yeah, I can wear it with Indian as well, since there's pearl in this one. And yeah, it's stone studded and makes me look so chic. Again, these jewelries are very chic. And guys, you all know how big of a BTS army I am. I love everything Korean and I love everything BTS, and so I could not afford leaving this piece behind. So I got the cutest Tata BT21 pendant with a chain. This is how the chain looks. It is only for 152 rupees. I really like how accurate the face is, how accurate Tata is over here. I love it, and they have so many different options like all the other BT21 members like Mang, RJ, Cookie, Chimmy, and Koya, Shuki, everyone. I am gonna get them one by one, but I started with Tata. I'm gonna wear it on my birthday, so you guys are gonna see. I really love how cute it looks. So that's how the Tata pendant looks on me. Can't wait to wear it on my birthday. I love it. I love everything BTS. So this is like one of the very first few purchases I made from their merchandise, and I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna buy all of them. Then guys, moving on, I got something for my mom as well. This one is like a CT gold, like this. So this is the chain I got for mom. It is like moms wear in weddings and functions, like a CT gold chain with layers. I really love how the work is and all the beads are so intricate. I love the design. It was also very inexpensive. So yeah, this is how the chain looks. I'm not gonna style it. So this is how the chain looks. I'm gonna wear it as well and show it to you guys if in any case you all are interested in Indian jewelry, like the traditional jewelries we have in that, so you will get an idea. I really like how it looks. So this is how chic my mom's jewelry looks. It looks very pretty. It looks extremely pretty. Blouses with deep neckline. I can pair it up with them if I am ever interested. My mom also wants to pair it up with blouses like that, and it will look very pretty. I love how the neckline of this top is, and it's completely complementing the jewelry. Then guys, moving on to the one that I am wearing. It is a beautiful layered necklace. I love it. I cannot tell you guys enough how beautiful it is. It has got 4 layers. Like there's one layer over here, like the first layer, the second chain, then there's got some beads. It's not beads, some stones over here, and it is also gotten a long pendant. I really love how it looks on me. It gives such a chic vibe to the outfit. I love it. I wear it with everything. I got it like a few days back, and so I have gotten the chance to wear it outside as well. So I have styled it in a few outfits. So yeah, you guys gonna see that in future as well. This one is absolutely beautiful for the price it has. I love how it looks. There's absolutely nothing to say about this jewelry. I love the 4 layers, like the first one, the second chain, the third stones, the fourth long chain pendant. Love how it looks. Now guys, moving on to the last piece or pieces. It's the showstopper item according to the price also, guys. I am dying with the price. You guys are gonna, if you hear the price. Got this beautiful neck piece. Let me show you. This is the prettiest stone studded neck piece I have over here. It's got a chain, like you have to tie it around the corner of it like this, and this is how the neck piece looks. And this is not it, guys. It comes with a pair of earrings. This is how the earring looks in particular. It is so pretty. I cannot have these pieces enough. I love how it looks. I cannot stop appreciating the beautiful work it has. The diamonds, the stones, the rhinestones. It goes so well with New Year and Christmas vibes. I love how it looks. I'm so glad I got it. And I have to say the price with my own mouth. These two together are a set, and it is for 100 rupees only. Yes guys, it is for rupees 100 rupees for these two beautiful pieces. I am dying. You guys will have to go check out the description box and get it ASAP. These pieces are gonna sell themselves, baby. Well, this one makes me look expensive. The word that comes to my mind is expensive. I love how it looks. It almost looks like diamond studded necklace, and it is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear it. I am just dying with the look of this. It is my favorite look ever. And then I'm gonna pair it up with the earrings as well. This is how it looks with the earrings. I feel it's a bit too much with the both of them pairing together, but if you're wearing an Indian outfit, you can definitely go with it, like a stone one or a chicken curry or something like that. And now that's how it'll look together. I really like it, and also without the necklace, this is how the earrings look alone on themselves. It's also very pretty. So with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos you want me to make and which piece of this you like the most. I am so glad I got my hands on these pieces. These are so stunning and so beautiful. Do get them. I really like the quality of them as well. This one hasn't tarnished in like I have used it really roughly and it hasn't tarnished a bit, so you guys can trust these brands. And I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you super soon in my very next video. Bye guys.